in Simulink MATLAB. So for this I am using this simple circuit in which an AC source is connected with a diode in a series with a resistance R. So how you can find these components? It's very easy, and you can easily find these components by just clicking on browser library. First of all, where you will find the diode, go to the Simscape library and then all the way down to the electrical, and you will reach to power electronics. Once you click on power electronics, you will reach power electronics, right? So in power electronics you will pick a diode. Where it is? Here it is, right? After that you can easily find the AC source by just typing AC voltage source and pick this one. Then type RLC and pick this RLC series branch. Notice that you have also series RLC load branch, but just pick RLC branch, right? Series. Now you can also find the voltage measurement by just typing or searching in browsing library. This is a multiplex which will give you my output to a single scope, and this is a scope. Notice that you should please do not forget to place continuous power GUI, otherwise your simulation will not run. So that was the circuit, which is a very simple. Now let's click on the each block and what does each block have its value. For AC voltage source I have 10 volt of, if it should be in a frequency of 50, right? I do not make any changes in diode. It's all values as it is by default, and I make the series RSC branch by just R and give a value of 50 ohm, right? This is a simple circuit, and I will simulate this circuit for 0.05 second. Run this. The run is done. Click on scope. Here it is. I am giving two graph. One is for voltage drop across diode, and the other one is the voltage drop across resistance R. This blue one is showing the voltage drop across resistance R, and the yellow one is showing the voltage drop across diode. Notice that for a positive sequence, the voltage is dropped, majority of voltage is dropped across resistance, because the diode is acting in a forward bias, and only 0.8 volt is dropped across diode. For the negative side, the voltage drop across resistance is 0, load is 0, and all the voltage is dropped across diode. This is why, because the diode is acting in reverse bias and all the voltage is dropped across diode. When the voltage is in forward bias, only 0.0 voltage is dropped across diode, and the rest 9.2 will drop across this RLC series branch. When it is in negative cycle, the voltage is at negative cycle, all the voltage will drop across this diode, because it will act as a open circuit. So that's all it.